Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, let me introduce myself. My name is Tridian Wahyu Aji. On this occasion, I will present the result of my article with the title Development of Photon-Based Sea Air Learning Media on Water Cycle Material for Class 5 Elementary School Science subject. In the introduction, this research is based on the lack of desire to learn and student learning outcome in the water cycle material. This is caused by the absence of learning media. Based on observation might be researched at SDN Musir Kidul, a problem was found where in science subject, especially water cycle material, students had difficulty or did not understand the material. This was proven by student learning outcomes, where of the 26 students, only 8 passed the standard of minimum competence. According to the result of interview with students in grade 5, this happened because the teacher did not use learning media or teaching aid. The teacher only used picture in the LKS book. To overcome this problem, a solution is needed in the form of learning media that can attract student interest in learning. For example, by mixing technological advance with learning media. There are many technology that can be used to overcome this problem. But in this research, the researcher provide one solution, named the Sea Air Media Water Cycle Photon-based, where photon is used a basis of this learning media. Method of the research. This type of research is development research, where the method applied in this research in the research and development R&D method. Basically, research and development R&D research is a method that makes a product new and gets through various kind of product validation. The model of this research is the AD. Model AD means analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Research. The media that has been created will of course be tested for product validity first before being widely applied. In this research, 3 types of research data will be presented. Name product validity data, product practically, and product effectiveness. For product validity, 4 validator are involved with the tile of 2 material expert validator and 2 media expert validator. The result of validator assessment will be used to revise the product that has been made to make it a more perfect product. The result of the material expert assessment will be presented in the table below. Based on the diagram above, you can see the result of the validation of the 2 validator with aspect of material suitability, material comfort, and language. The first validator give an average score of 87%. Meanwhile, validator second give an average value of 93%. If you combine the score of the 2 validator, you get an average score of 90% with a very valid category and suitable for use to support student learning outcome in the water cycle material. In the data of media expert, based on the diagram above, you can see the result of the validation of the 2 media validator with aspect of suitability of media, quality, and language and media apprehensions. The first validator give a varying score of 85%, meanwhile validator second give a varying value of 88. If you combine the score of the two validator, you get an average score of 97%, with the category very valid and suitable for use to support student learning outcome in the water cycle material. Level of practicality. Based on practicality, assessment by media practitioner with aspect of efficiency, interactiveness, and effectiveness. An average score of 97% was obtained. This shows that the CR media is very practical to use in the learning activities regarding the water cycle for grade 5 student. Response of student. Based on the assessment of student response with aspect of interest, convenience, and satisfaction, an average score of 93% was obtained. This shows that the CR learning media really attract the learning interest of grade 5 students, especially in the water cycle material. Student learning outcome. Based on the analysis of student learning outcome, the score obtained before using the CR media was 40%, while after using the CR media, the score was 95%. This shows a very significant interest in learning outcome, so that CR media is very helpful in supporting the learning outcome of grade 5 student on the water cycle. In the conclusion, based on the result of research that has been carried out using the development of research and development R&D method, which has produced CR learning media and has passed various kinds of validation, it can be concluded that CR media is very suitable to be used and a learning media to improve student learning outcome. This can be proved by interest in student learning outcome before and after using the CR media from 40%, while after using CR media they obtained a score of 95%. CR media is very suitable for use and medium to support the learning outcome for grade 5 student. And thank you.